everyone, this is Aza Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And we have another brand new house and it's very beautiful. One of my favorite na naman na bahay dito sa Pampanga. This house is located here at Holy Angel Village, close to SM Telebastagan. And around 3 na po, 3 p.m., nang sinut namin yung house facing northwest din siya. So ganyan siya. A beautiful modern contemporary and a very eye-catching facade. That's on the second floor facade niya. That's made of real granite. Siyempre nga naman, outdoor, so hindi mga PVC panels yung ginamit nila for this house. Those are real granite. So ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda niya sa labas. Yun talaga nung kaninang una ko siyang nakita yan yung, uy, ano yung nasa tapat na yun? Yeah? Ganda, no? And, pasok lang muna tayo sa pedestrian gate niya. You have a very simple facade, pero pagpasok nyo ng house, ang dami niyang features. Ayan. Unahin ko na yung dito. So this is a modern contemporary. It's a fusion of sun type. Just like this, you have a pocket garden over here. Diba usually sun type are itong mga small pebbles na to, yung mga ginagamit nila para it's simple yet it's easy to maintain and ang ganda niya sa mata tignan. And also this side pala, siguro I'll show you some b-roll na lang. This side kasi is your access going to your kaila helpers nyo. So ayan na yun, paakyat ng hagdan, I'll show you some b-roll. Meron siyang living room, meron na din siyang sariling room and own toilet and bath. So kumbaga, hindi siya talaga makakapasok sa house nyo. So may parang may sarili siyang house doon. And over here is your covered porch, pero mamaya ko na papakita yung pinaka-house. I wanna show you another thing. This side. See? Na-imagine nyo na siguro gano'ng kalaya yung nilakad ko. Yes? For your carport, you have a 3-vehicle carport, SUV, even a van, kasyang-kasya dito. And you have a automated gate as well. Ganda din ng carport nyo. And another thing is, yung feeling na to parang pwede nyo na nga siyang vacation house as well. Or, this side of the property could be for your guests. So talagang meron silang sariling life din dito. So they can rest well kapag binisita nila kayo. So this is for them, pwedeng ganon. Unahin ko na since we are here na rin naman. This is separate from the main house talaga. A perfect room for your guest. Yeah, I call it guest house na lang. This side, you have your vanity over here na tapos missing pa yung mirror dito. Tapos, queen size na rin for your bed. A very modern bed frame. Eto, this one. Eto, mga PVC na to. Pero it looks like yung granite na nasa facade nyo. And you have a TV console, you have your TV included na. And syempre, since this is a guest room or guest house, meron na siyang ensuite toilet and bath. And a spacious pa rin. It's very spacious. You have your glass partition for your shower. Spacious toilet area and sink. Also, this one, missing pa rin yung salamin niya. Yun na lang yung kulang dito sa guest house na to. Just look at this. Imagine, you're having your coffee over here or tea in the afternoon. Sakto, maghahapon na ngayon, magme-merienda time na. Kahit may gathering kayo dito, pwede pang i-extend dito sa area ng villa na to, alright? So, tapos antayin nyo lang fully grown yung mga halaman na itinanim nyo dyan. Ang presko na ng area na to. And another access para naman makakapag-serve pa rin yung mga helpers nyo ng food sa mga bisita nyo. Itong door na to is just an access from your main house or yung guest nyo kung gusto nyo nila magluto ng sarili nila. Ito na yung pinaka-dirty kitchen natin / service area na. Lakarin ko na dito hanggang dito. So this is your laundry area. Ito na yung pinaka-sink for your laundry. Yung mga hand wash lang. And then ito na yung pinaka-dirty kitchen niya. And then we have another door that leads to your formal kitchen na, pero I'll show you later. Balik na lang ako labas. This is a different kind of house na feature namin dito sa NLP. Kasi ito lang yung may, I think, as far as I can remember, ito yung may ganyan. May guest house siyang sarili. Tapos, brand new. Kasi, normally, yung may ganyan, then mga classic na itsura ng house, hindi na siya brand new. So, it's pre-owned na. More of mga 10 to 15 years old na yung house. And now, we're back to the main door. Now, I'll see you inside na. Nai-excite na ako for you kasi baka nga pareho nyo ako na magustuhan yung house. Welcome to your dream home. So, you have a smart digital lock for your main door pala. And as well as ito. Kapag nasa labas kayo, ano naman siya. So, tinted yung labas pala. So, lesser init din na pumapasok. So, both sides siya, merong glass panels. And, well, what a conversation starter palang pagpasok ng main door nyo. I told you kanina sa harap na meron tayong pagka-zen type din ng bahay. So, this is what welcomes you once you enter your main door, as well as ito, yung pinaka-ilalim ng staircase na. It's beautiful, right? So, kapag add ko na lang siguro, baka may magtanong kasi. So, hindi siya nakaabang if you wanna convert this sa koi pan. So, hindi daw siya nakaabang as per seller. Pero ganito lang mismo, ang ganda niya na. Kahit mga artificial plants lang yan, at least hindi sila namamatay. It stays there. Ang ganda. As well as this. And at the same time, meron din pala siyang one step. So, parang naka-elevate yung pinaka-main entrance nyo and then one step going to your furnished living room. Ganda din ng living room nyo. It can fit up to 4 people. Then, carpeted pa siya, kaya iniwan ko yung slippers ko. And then, everything you see that I will mention in this video is included. So, the house comes furnished. You have your entertainment wall na. You have this standing fan, as well as yung napakagandang aircon for your whole ground floor. And then moving to this area is your dining area. Good for 6 din yung nilagay nila. Pero naka-large yung chairs niya as well as yung pinaka-table niya. Spacious. You have a beautiful light fixture. It's minimalist pero ang liwanag niya for your dining area. And this is the aircon I'm telling you. Ang ganda niya. Parang it matches yung pagka-aesthetic ng buong living room. Right? Ganda. Lakas. Yan lang yung aircon. Plus, it's a good thing kasi walang naka-attach sa mga wall nyo. So, ang linis ng mga walls. And also, may mga CCTV installed din sa mga common areas natin. So, always my favorite part of the house, kahit hindi ako magaling magluto, this is your formal kitchen. So, right here, you have mga stool na. 3 stools. Pwede ng breakfast nook. And quartz for your countertop. Spacious yan. So, kung yung wife nyo mahilig mag-bake, ganda pala mag-bake, no? So, na-experience ka pala mag-bake. Ganda niya pala, pero it's tiring kasi you have to give a lot of time para makapag-bake ng talagang magandang bread or pastries. Now, sa ilalim naman ito, punong-puno siya ng storage where you can put your pots and pans. Ayan. And for your L-shaped countertop where everything is made. Preparation area, this is where you cook. And then this material pareha sila quartz din. You have your oven na dito. Tapos mga drawers din. I think itong drawer, ang ganda nun I think itong drawer na to yung ayan, wine glass pala nilagay nila. Ganda. Ito din, yung mga organizer na yung drawers. Okay. Ayan, so lahat yan. And then, you have your large sink. Modern na talaga yung mga sink na yan. Okay? And then also sa mga overhead cabinets natin. Sa taas na banda, hindi ko na kasi abot. Ito mataas talaga, hindi ko na siya abot. Pero I think storage pa siya kasi may mga partition yung, may mga door siya. Style doors. And then, another side is you have this a mirror to make the illusion or space more bigger. I think I left something on that side. Okay, make the space bigger, and then as well as pwede na siyang ano kasi buffet table soon, or kaya pag holidays diba lalagay niya ng mga decorations dyan. I think I left something. Ito. Dahil ang puti niya, ayan. Okay, pantry. maraming stock. Oh well, this is brand new. Pero yung mga seller kasi, tinatry na nila, ay tinitirahan nila siguro for 1 month para lang ma-testing yung lahat. Syempre nga naman bago. So, from that time na gusto nyo nang i-occupy yung house nyo, at least alam na nila yung naging problem ng house kasi nga, trinay na nila. Very aesthetic. Matches yung design ng mga walls, which is the mirrors. You have your 4-door fridge, and then at the same time, we have our surprise door again for this house. Ito yun, sa likod ng fluted panels na to. Ito ano lang naman to, storage. Pero ang laki niya. Tignan nyo naman, ang laki pa rin niya. Oh. Dito mga extra gamit na nila. And then for our guest, this is your common toilet and bath na. So may shower area na siya. You have your sink and then your toilet over here. And a spacious shower area. Ganda. Laki na to. And then this door naman, this is the door or area that leads to your service kitchen. Sinabi ko na to kanina. Yan. Ayan siya. So, easy access naman sa inyo yung pinaka-dirty kitchen. And this is the door that leads to your guest villa outside. Ayan. Ito yan. So, balik ako. And ito pa yung isang na-notice ko dito. Pantay siya lahat. Kahit lumabas ka dito sa dirty kitchen, pantay siya. Pumunta ka ng common toilet and bath, pantay lang yung mga floors. Ayan. I guess we're done sa ground floor pa lang. Pero ang dami na, no? It's overwhelming. Napakaganda ng pagkagawa nila. Let's explore na yung second floor kasi magugulat kayo. Maganda yung pagkagawa nila. Even the interior sa mga room talagang well-planned. Okay? I'll see you sa second floor. Question pa, even this side pala or this view coming from your main entrance. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. This is a perfect idea to put a parang sunken garden dito sa front ng main entrance niya. It's beautiful. Very eye-catching. And then at the same time, mga glass panel, it helps na talagang ang linis lang ng railings. No? Tapos sa second floor natin, we have 3 bedrooms to explore. Kakaiba yung mga ginawa talaga nila dito. This one, our first door. Also, lahat ng bedroom natin naka-digital lock. So this is what I'm telling you. Ito daw is the man cave. Spacious, you have your queen size din. And ang ganda ng effect nito, oh. Parang 1/4 of the moon. And then may textured yung wall accent niya. Pakita ko lang. Then this one, itong mga LED need na to, pakita ko na lang din this side. And then dito kasi located yung monitor na ng mga CCTV. And this is what I'm telling you. Yung mga mini na to. So dun daw siya sa mga cove lighting na yun. Ang cute na. And so lahat ng fluted panels gusto kong i-check kung may secret door. And on this side, you have your own prayer room. Ang ganda, ang cute din. Ganda ng color kasi combination ng colors na ginamit. Then ito, PU stones. Bagay na bagay dito. Ang ganda. And then you have your large. Pwede ng tulugan siguro this side, or kung gusto nyong ilipat yung itong prayer room nyo, pwede nyo siyang gawing talagang pwedeng office. Pwedeng talagang game room. Full-fledged man cave. And we have, since we have our parang boys room na. We also have our princess room. Ayan. Di ba? Beautiful. Dito naman, single size bed yung ginamit nila. Talagang pambabae. That side, you have your vanity mirror as well as yung cabinet. Ang cute. Ayan. Tapos, even on that side, kung nasan si Mr. K, yun na yung another cabinet. And then, you have your own toilet dito sa room na to. So, may ensuite siya. Also, matches yung pinaka-bedroom. Very aesthetic. Pati tiles, pink. Ayan, complete shower area. Cute. Also, now, down to our primary bedroom. Wow. Look at your primary bedroom. Pag bungad pa lang, yung napakagandang collection siya ng mga luxury items. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-cabinet nyo. Ha? Okay. These are personal items, so hindi po siya kasama. Pero diba, at least nakikita nyo na kung ano itsura niya kapag nilagyan niya ng mga collections nyo. So nice. Okay, this is your, wow, napakagandang primary bedroom. And napansin ko pala, high ceiling. So, mga pin lights lang yung ginamit. Even sa may mga co-lighting. Ganun lang, no? Ang liwanag na. Pero syempre, kung gusto nyo naman ng walang sun, syempre. King size for the bed. And then, ang ganda ng pinaka-headboard ng pinaka-bed nyo. And both side. Ang ganda ng mga bedside table. Ang ganda lang. Ang cute. Very aesthetic. Everything matches. Talagang pinag-isipan. Even this side pala. Diba? Yung mga, kung kayo, yung mahilig kayo magbasa, may bay window kayo dito. At the same time, ang view nyo is yung harap na ng property. Ganda. Check natin yung mga baka may secret door pa rin. This is included, I think this is 65 inches TV. Pati dito sa side na to may mga pin lights. Maliwanag lang kasi dito. Kaya hindi masyadong kita. Pero ang cute mo. Tapos, syempre, time to check your ensuite.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Let's go. Gusto din daw na Mr. Keita. Yan. Now, this is your ensuite. You have your sink over here. Sa bandang right nyo pagpasok. Your toilet is over here. And then sa likod ko is where makakapag-relax talaga kayo. Kita nyo na may sneak peek na tayo kanina pa is, you have your tub over here. Separate pa from your shower area. Ito yung mga gusto ko sa household, hindi yung dito na sa tub na liligo. Tapos may pa dito, natural stone. Ayan, natural stone siya. Ganda. Tapos syempre hindi mawawala yung vanity area natin. This side. So, this cabinets naman is yung mga easy access. Siguro yung mga towels na ilalagay dito, yung mga pang araw-araw na bahay. And you also have your vanity na over here. Yan. So, yung mga movable items are not included. Mga personal items sila seller. Di ba? Ganda nito. Ang ganda ng switch na yan. Parang kung may nagbibilang ng kung ilang beses ko nasabi yung maganda. Ha? Yeah, cabinet ito. May mga gamit kasi pero, yan, cabinet to. Ganda. So, hindi lang talaga siya plain. Naka-ano pa siya? Naka-carve. Para malagyan ng gold. So, what's this? Ito yung mga wallpaper tayo. Parang yung, pero pagka-Japanese pa rin yung peg niya. Parang nga naman malinis. Yan, that's it. Baba tayo ulit. I'll give you your quick recap for this house. Very quick recap again, this house is brand new and located here at Holy Angel Village, very close to SM Talabastagan. Now for the house, this sets at 240 square meters for your lot area and you have 270 square meters for your floor area. You have your 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, including your maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. And you have your 3 vehicle carport and then automated gate And the house is solar powered with 12 kilowatts. And then, naka-net metering na din siya. And also, naka-plate yung Wi-Fi niya so you don't have wirings na nakaharang. And the house comes, furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Sasay Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. Now, to give you a quick now for your quick recap, again, this house is located here at you have your 3-vehicle carport with automated gate, and the house has solar system, as well as internet. Bobo! And to give you a quick recap again, this house is brand new and located here. Parang tanga naman.